Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be changing the package name in Android Studio. A package name is the unique identifier for your project. 1. Go to Gradle scripts and open the build.gradle module app. 2. Modify the application ID and the namespace to be the same. 3. When you're done with the changing name, sync the project. 4. Go to Tree Appearance and uncheck the Compact Module Packages option. 5. Now, you can see and modify the package tree name. This should be the same with the changes that we made in the Gradle app module. 5. Go to Option, Refactor, Rename. 6. After you rename your tree subfolder, let's try to start the app. You may get this errors. Look and see what you need to do. You need to re-import all the resource because our subfolder name has changed. Now let's start the app again. Now our app is working and we changed the package name successful.